What's up guys, Hectic Vids. I'm gonna show you guys a few off-roading spots on the Grom. Oh yeah, gonna have to stop for gas for sure. Yeah, you guys saw that I was on the last little mark of gas. Let's see how much he takes. You don't need much, normally $2.50 worth max. That's all she wrote. Alright, let's hit the first little spot. Oh yeah, this shade is nice. It's about 90 degrees today. And I'll tell you what, I'm dressed for the slide, not the ride. Uh-oh. Alright. Let's send it. Woo! Oh, shit! Little rusty there. Ugh. Yeah, you can tell I haven't been off-roading her as much as I used to. Hello! Thought that bank would hold on. Woo! There it is. It's a nice little... Yeah, these off-road tires don't have as much tread as they used to. I can feel the front slip a little bit. Not bad though, gets the job done. I'll tell you that. Head out. Next location. Oh yeah. You guys might recognize this little spot from my Grom jump fail gone wrong video. My buddy sent it up this one at about 40. Looks like it's dug down a little bit more. Fuck it, I'll send it for the tube. Shit, that was a good one. Stalled out at the end, but at least I didn't fall. Hell yeah. view. This spot is a nice little figure 8 type track. You'll see what I mean. Nice little spot I found just last week. Not bad. Wow. I haven't been through this one in a while. Those were coming off. Whoa. Little mud action. Woo. Wow. Yeah, you guys obviously aren't going to notice, but there's a lot taller grass here than last time I was in this area. Yeah, a lot more grass. Huh. Yeah, this is a nice little spot I've come to before, but like I said, it's a lot more overgrown now. I haven't been here in probably a month or 2 months about. That was a hard one. I already know that this fork seal right here is blown, unfortunately, but you know, I've been trying not to off-road the bike with the low exhaust, but I thought I'd give you guys a taste of the type of shit that I fuck around with these Kenda Big blocks. You know, get my last little bit of mileage out of them. over there, it gets a little deep and swampy. I don't know if there's any, you know, secret water patches over there. Wow. Even looks like there's more rocks here. It must have been all the rain or something. Normally I have to lift the bike over this type of shit. Oh. Hello, got some stragglers. Get out of here. How we looking? Yeah, I'm gonna need some new gloves. First day I got them, I freaking touched my exhaust the tiniest bit and burnt them up. All right, let's get it.